Every year around Christmas we hear the same words: peace on earth, goodwill toward men. But for many of us, the world feels anything but peaceful. War, anxiety, loneliness, disappointments. So the question is fair: how is the birth of Jesus still good news in a world as broken as ours? Here's the first thing: the birth of Jesus tells us God has not abandoned the world, He has entered it. Every worldview says, here's how you get to God. But Christmas says, here's how God came to you. Into your bruised places, your real fears, your real failures. The incarnation means God refuses to love you from a distance. Secondly, the birth of Jesus shows us that God brings hope from the bottom up, not the top down. Jesus wasn't born in a palace, but in a manger. Not to the powerful, but to the overlooked. This is God's way of saying, I work through what the world calls weak. I redeem what the world calls hopeless. If God chose a manger, then not a single broken part of your life is beyond His reach. Third, Christmas confronts the deepest problem of the human heart. We like to think our biggest issues are out there: corrupt systems, bad leaders, economic pressure. But the Bible insists the real problem is also in here: the human heart that turns away from God. Jesus didn't just come to comfort us, He came to rescue us, to deal with the sin, the guilt, the pride, the fear that we cannot fix on our own. You can repair society only when the heart is repaired. Fourth, the birth of Jesus is good news because it marks the beginning of a kingdom that cannot be shaken. The kingdoms of this world fall, your plans fail, your body weakens. But in Jesus, God is building a kingdom of justice, joy, and peace that will never end. And Christmas is the announcement that this kingdom has already begun. And finally, Christmas tells us your story isn't finished. If God can take a teenage girl, an exhausted carpenter, an occupied nation, and a feeding trough and bring forth Savior of the world, then He can take whatever is small, ordinary, or broken in your life and weave it into something redemptive. So what makes the birth of Jesus still good news today? It's this: God stepped into our darkness to bring light. He entered our chaos to bring peace. He came into our brokenness to make all things new. And that means there is hope, real hope, for you, for me, and for this fractured world. That's the good news of Christmas, and it's still the best news we have.